When I'm gonna do the laser. Medical Esthetics Program is about prepare our students for integrating the field with more knowledge, experience, and they be able to work with the doctors and nurses and some spas, hotels, destination resorts for the aesthetics industry in general. So our students learn from the basics for manicures until working with the lasers, chemical peels, radiofrequency, more advanced treatments. When I'm gonna do the laser? So the students are curious to do about the laser treatments, but before we put in students in practice, they need to learn the foundation for the aesthetics parts, so understand the indications, contraindications, so they have the theory part before. So when the students pass this level, they're going to be qualified to go for their lab and then practice the treatments in each other and our clients and our models when going to be available again.